TwinBroKids channel.
Hi there, friends. Welcome to the wonderful world of plants. Have you ever wondered how plants grow tall and strong, just like these trees? Today we're going to learn all about how plants grow, step by step. Are you ready? Let's go. Plants need 4 special things to grow healthy and strong. Can you guess what they are? Sunlight, water, soil, and air. Just like we need food, plants need these things to grow. Sunlight helps them make their own food. Water keeps them hydrated. Soil gives them a place to live. And air helps them breathe. Isn't that amazing? Now let's see how a plant grows from a tiny seed. First, we plant the seed in the soil. Then, we water it and make sure it gets plenty of sunshine. The seed starts to sprout and roots grow underground. Soon, a little stem pops out of the soil. Leaves grow and the plant gets bigger and bigger. Wow! Look at how tall the plant has grown. With enough sunlight, water, soil, and air, it will keep growing and growing. Let's take a closer look at the parts of a plant. Every part has an important job to do. The roots are underground. They drink up water from the soil. The stem is like a straw. It carries water and food to all parts of the plant. The leaves are where plants make their food using sunlight. And the flower is the beautiful part that helps make seeds for new plants to grow. Now you know all about how plants grow. Isn't nature amazing? You can help plants grow too, just like we saw today. So, let's all work together to make the world green and beautiful. Bye for now. Happy planting!
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.